going to play Sharing C. And this is a good song for us to introduce middle C position. So for middle C position, that simply means I'm going to take both of my thumbs and they're going to share middle C. If I have a middle C in the treble clef with the stem going up, I'm going to play that with my right thumb. If I have a middle C in the bass clef with the stem going down, I'm going to play it with my left thumb. And the way they are right here, they look like two different notes, but that's actually the same note. It's just going to be played by different hands. So here it'll be played by the right, here it will be played by the left. And then the rest of my fingers, I'm going to just line them up one finger per key. So my right hand will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to treble G. My left hand, again with the thumb on middle C, will go down to bass F. So my pinky here will be on treble G, my pinky down here on bass clef F. And then I'm just going to follow the notes as they move by step. So I'll start with my C, C, C right here. It goes like this. C, 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 D, E, D, E, F, G, C, 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 F, G, A, G, So we're going to practice middle C position by playing a song called Jazzy Tune. So to put my hands in position for middle C position, I'm going to take both of my thumbs and we're going to share middle C. Then I'm going to go out with my right hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to treble G. With my left hand, starting on C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I go down to bass F. And that's my hand setup. So if we look here, you can see the hand setup is at the top of the page. And then notice when the stems go up, we're going to play with our right hand. When the stems go down, we'll play with the left hand. A Jazzy Tune. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, D, C, 2, 3, 4, left hand. C, B, A, G, F, G, A, B, C, B, C, 2, 3, repeat. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, D, C, 2, 3, 4, left hand. C, B, A, G, So that's a good way for us to practice playing steps in middle C position. And I just wanted to point out too that there's a repeat sign here and it says to play piano the second time. So that's why I backed off and played much softer the second time through. The first time through mezzo forte, medium loud, second time through piano. And that's a Jazzy Tune. So now we'll look at a song called Big Ben. We're going to use this song to practice our dotted half note. Remember, our dotted half note is our note that gets 3 beats. And since we have a note that gets 3 beats, it's a good time for us to introduce a time signature that also gets 3 beats. So remember, the time signature is at the beginning of a piece of music. The top number is going to tell us how many beats are in each measure. And the bottom number here is a 4, which tells us that a quarter note equals 1 beat. So instead of thinking in groups of 4 as we have been doing up to this point, now we're going to be thinking in groups of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The setup for this song is a little bit different. I'm going to go ahead and take my thumb, put it on middle C, just like we're used to doing. But with my left hand here, I'm going to take my finger 2 and put it on the G right below middle C. So I go down from middle C, C, B, A, G, and I'm just going to put finger 2 right there. And I'm just going to leave that finger there. That's the only finger that I'm going to use in my left hand is finger 2. When I get to the end of the song, I'm actually actually going to jump down to a low C right here. You can see that on our keyboard setup right here. Here's the G, and here's the low C. G, and then down to low C. So my song goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, play. E, C, D, G, 2, 3, G, D, E, C, 2, 3, E, C, D, G, 2, 3, G, D, E, C, 2. Now I'm going to move down. C, 2, 3, C, 2, 3, C, 2, 3, C, 2, 3. And that's Big Ben. Notice here it says gradually softer to the end, and I end at a piano level of dynamics. So I started out forte, I gradually got softer to the end here until I was at a piano level. That is how the song Big Ben goes. And there are some places here where we have skips. For instance, right at the beginning, we skip from that 3 to 1. We haven't played a lot of skips yet, so this is a good opportunity for you to practice playing those skips where you skip over a key and skip over a finger.